And the end. What's up, guys? Reggie P here. How would you like to get paid $1,375 every month just by reading? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,375 monthly just by reading. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, are you struggling getting views and subscribers for your small YouTube channel? Well, if you just click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to get views and subscribers on your YouTube channel. Click that link right now. It's totally free to download that software, and that will help you increase your views and subscribers. This same tool has helped me increase my views and subscribers from 20 subscribers all the way to almost 300 subscribers in a matter of weeks. So go ahead and download that tool right now. It's absolutely free. Now, please watch this video to the very end, because every step is very important to follow if you want to start making that $1,375 monthly. So, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's go. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called ACX, and it says here, turn your book into an audiobook. So what we're going to be doing is being a narrator for authors that have written books, and you're going to get paid to narrate or to read those books, and because they're going to turn this book into an audiobook. Now let's go here where it says how it works, and we're going to go to narrator. All right, start your audiobook career. Now let's scroll down here, and here's how it works. We're going to go over the steps. Now, it's a lot of steps, so bear with me. Please follow me through all these steps because it's very important. All right, #1, you're going to create a profile. And then #2, upload samples. So you're going to have to make samples so the author can listen to your samples and make their decision if they want to use you to read their book to make it into an audiobook. So what you can do is read some articles, some news articles, things that's in the news that you can read from, and just read that, maybe a couple of pages long of some samples, and you're going to load them up on this website. So the next step is step 3. How do you want to get paid? So it says here, choose a pre-finished hour rate, or choose to share 50% of royalties if you're unsure. Choose both. So what they're saying is you can get paid an hourly rate for the book that you're reading. So you get paid by hour per finished the book that you that you're reading. Or you can get 50% royalties from the audiobook when it sells. Or you can go ahead and do both. All right, step 4 is audition. So search for books you're interested in, narrating and producing, and record a few minutes of the manuscript. If you're the rights holder, top choice, you'll receive an offer. Then step 5, you accept the offer. When the rights holder makes you an offer, agree on delivery dates for the first 15 minutes of audio, and then the final audiobook and payment terms. Then number 6, start recording. Record, edit, and upload a 15-minute checkpoint of the audiobook, which the rights holder will approve or provide feedback. When the sample is approved, record the remainder of the product. And here's step 7. I told you it's a lot of steps, so bear with me. Work with other studio professionals. To create a professional audiobook, you may want the guidance of other audiobook experts. If you need to hire one or more, we have independent contract agreements you may use. Step 8, finish the recording. So you're going to finish the recording and upload the completed chapter of the audiobook to meet our audio submission requirements and production standard terms. Before payment, the rights holders must approve the full audiobook. So we at number 9, you're going to get paid. If you're a rights holder, agreed on a pay for production fee. So that means when the production is finished, you're going to get paid for that. You will be paid directly by the rights holder. If you produce the audio book as a royalty share deal, then you'll be paid based on 50% of the royalties on sales and 50% of the $50 bounty payments. Now, once you sign up, you just click on there and find out what bounty payments are, but you get $50. And here's the last step, come back for more. So ACX has tons of books waiting to be turned into audiobooks, so keep auditioning. If you're a highly experienced narrator with at least 25 audiobook credits, apply to be an Audible approved producer. And Audible is very popular, it's owned by Amazon, so millions of people go there to get audiobooks. So once you be an approved producer there, you're talking about real big money. All right. So that's it for this method and the website. If you want to learn more and get into this is real profitable method right here. Just go to acx.com. So now you know the method you need to use and the website you need to go to start making $1,375 a month. So go ahead and sign up and put in that work, and I guarantee it will pay off for you month after month after month. Especially if you like to read, this will be fun for you, plus you'll make some money by doing it. Now, that's all I have for today. And for you guys that watched this video to this point, as I said earlier, sometimes I give away, usually I give away free money. So let me tell you this. Once I get the 300 subscribers, I'm going to give away some free money to a lucky person. So all you have to do is leave a comment down below. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick that comment once I reach 300 subscribers. So you need to leave a comment in this video and all my future videos leading up to 300 subscribers, which is my next milestone. Currently, I'm almost at 270, so I only have 30 more subscribers to go. So it's coming up very soon. And all you have to do is just leave that comment down below. And you can win $20 cold hard cash or $20 Amazon gift card. Your choice. All right. That's all I have. I'm finished. But please give me a like if you like what I've talked about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give out this free money to a lucky person. Share this on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I drop videos like this on a daily basis. All right, I'm done. This is it for the video. Finito, I'm finished. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can watch one of my recommended videos right here, or you can watch one of my recent videos right here. Right after I tell you this, get your grind on, because the grind is real and grind smart.